alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are doing good at your own place. My dear students, every congratulations to all of you. Here, I'm Afsana Khanum, Senior Teacher, Department of Home Science, Palestine College. My dear students, today I will discuss with you Chapter 10, Functions of Food and Nutrition, and our today's lesson is 1, Functions of Food. So, my dear students, please take your textbook, copies, and highlighters, pen also. So, my dear students, let's go our main class. Learning outcome. My dear students, in this lesson, you will able to know about various nutrients of food perform different functions in our body. To know about different functions of food. To survive in life, food is inevitable. Various nutrients which we get from foods perform different functions in our body. Functions of foods are they build our body and help us to grow. Number 2, prevent decays. Number 3, produce heat and give us energy for work. Number 4, regulate internal functions of our body. And last and 5, produce a preventive to fight against disease. Number 1, build a body and help to grow. Protein in food builds up our body. Nutrients are the vital elements of our biological structure. A child grows up from a single cell in a mother's womb. By receiving nutrients from the mother, the single cell gradually grows up and divides from two cells. Innumerable cells are developed by this process, and later on a whole of a human child is born this way. Thus, while being in mother's womb, a child needs foods for nutrients. Foods helps us to grow by building our body. Different nutrients present in food perform the job. Prevent decay. Every single moment we are going through decaying. To prevent and repair this decay is a major function of food. All cells die and some of the nutrients pass out from our body. The rest of the nutrients take part in producing new cells. New nutrients which we get from food unit and help them in these functions. We can understand this fact from a simple example. If we use the same pair of shoes regularly, then they are eroded, but our feet are not. This is because every moment new cells are produced in place of old decayed cells. When we get hurt or become ill, new cells are produced in our body and our wounds get healed this way. Produce heat and energy. The nutrients of food burn as a fuel in our cell and produce energy. This energy keeps us moving and helps us doing our actions properly. Heat, which is produced in our body, gives us the power to work. For example, a car needs a fuel such as petrol or gas to run its engine. This fuel burns to produce energy so that it can run. We can compare our body with an engine. Heat is necessary for blood circulation, respiration, digestion, defections, and some other vital functions of life. Loss of energy occurs even when we are asleep. Energy is required to maintain normal body temperature, build up cells, produce fluids in the body, produce milk in lactating breastfeeding mothers, and for many more internal works. Moreover, we need energy for moving around, playing, interacting with other many more external functions. How the body produces heat. All food and drinks contain calories. A calorie is the heat value of food. Calories in the body are converted to energy and stored. This conversion process produces heat which generates our body temp. Excess calories are stored as a fat cells. Average calorie intake in approx. Regulate internal functions. Several chemical reactions take place in our body for which we must have food. When we take food, it burns to produce energy. This energy is used for muscles movements, new cell and fluid production, fluid ejection, and many more. Some nutrients are very important considering these chemical reactions. These are vitamins, minerals, proteins, and water. Proteins and minerals take part in producing several enzymes and hormones in our body. Our internal reactions and processes are controlled by these enzymes and hormones. Thus, we can say we cannot deny the necessity of food for our internal functions and processes. Produce preventive power to fight against disease. Every day we attacked by different microorganism or contagious agents. Our body's natural defense system give us protection against these attacks. Our defense mechanism is built up by taking in different nutritious foods. Protein, vitamins, and minerals play the vital parts in developing our own immune system. Food keeps us healthy. On the other hand, our body becomes malnourished if we do not take enough food for longer period. Our body loses its natural power to fight against diseases and different symptoms of virus diseases expose. We get ill very often when any contagious agent attacked us. Some of our cells die and sometimes even tissues are attacked. Tissue replaces this loss by building up new cells in our body, and to do this job it needs energy proteins and other nutritions. So, my dear students, uh, in conclusion, that's all I had to say. I hope you can understand our today's lesson properly. My dear students, if you feel any problem to understand or if you have any queries, please knock your subject teacher. So, my dear students, inshallah, see you again another class. Till then, be happy. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.